What is up? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm actually going to show you two different trades that I took today live. So I'll be showing you live price action of the trades that I took. None of this is hindsight. It's all what I took. I show you when I enter. I show you when I exit the trades. I call it all live before it actually happens in the price market. And I have also just released a new full beginner course. So if you are interested in that, then click the first link in the description. It is a completely full guide to the trading strategy that I traded today and that I trade every day. It has over a 80% win rate. It has a 100% win rate today, but overall it has a 80+% win rate. So it is an extremely good trading strategy. But yeah, I hope you enjoy this video. Let's see. Let's see if we put in this fair value gap. Okay, so we have this 1 minute bearish fair value gap now. This could definitely hold and take us down a bit more. But if this is inverse, then we should go up for that buy side liquidity. And that is a nice, like, 20-point move. But let's see what happens here. We're in the retracement macro, let's say. Okay, so we went down here. Oh, I'm not shorting this. My bias is long, so I'm not going to take a short as a bearish fair value gap, but I'd like to see it inverse and take us up to buy side liquidity. My bias is long. I want buy side up here. I want this black buy side, that black line there. If this 1 minute is inverse, we should go up for this buy side liquidity. Okay. So now I want to move up for this buy side liquidity. Yep. So now we have equal highs, so we should pump through this. Nice, and boom. So I took profits right there. Okay, so as you see, that's literally the setup that I've been waiting for. I said I just moved down here, which we got. We created a bearish fair value gap. We inversed the bearish fair value gap, and we pump for buy side. It's simple. That is the inversion strategy. We also have a 1 minute a 1 minute bearish fair value gap here. Now, could you take this if it was inversed? Yeah. You could take this 1 minute if it's inversed and target that buy side liquidity there. I would definitely not go in full size though. But it does look good as long as we hold this 1 minute here. How much you anchored with? So now we're just tapped into this bearish fair value gap, so let's see what happens. So now we're just fighting this 1 minute bearish fair value gap versus 1 minute. It should cut deeper into this fair value and then to the 2 minute fair value gap now. Yeah. So we have this 2 minute fair value gap here. We've just tapped into this inverse again. So let's see what happens here after this 2 minute bullish fair value gap. Okay, we didn't actually inverse that. We held that, as you can see. We literally closed pretty close, but we didn't inverse this. So we should. Let's just see what happens. This isn't an inverse, so if we inverse this 1 minute up here, then I'll probably still take a long to buy side liquidity. Okay, that's a nice reaction. We hold on this 2 minute fair value gap. Let's see if we inverse the 1 minute. Okay, I don't want this buy side to be taken before we inverse it if we do. We did have this small fair value gap down here that we inversed, but I'm not interested in that. 30 seconds. So I'll take a long if this 1 minute is inversed. Okay, so look at the displacement. So you can already tell from this displacement, we're most likely just going to go to take this high. So the inverse is in 9 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1, and it's been inversed there. And equal highs. Wait for it. Alright, so we left the equal highs up there, but we should come back and hit that. Where's my chart gone? Boom! Look at that, boys. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. I'm taking profits. I'm taking profits. What's a trade? Ah, come on, guys. I can't show you any more than that. Oh. You see, literally explains step by step what I want to see happen, and it happened exactly how I explained it. What a trade. Now we're probably just gonna go straight up for this buy side, honestly, but I took 100% of my profits. Okay, so we were just holding this 2 minute bullish fair value gap here. We were holding this 2 minute bullish fair value gap here, and then on the 1 minute time frame, we have this bearish fair value gap, and obviously our higher time frame bias is very bullish. So I said once we inverse this fair value gap, we will go and at least take this high here, which it done. And yeah, I entered around there, and yeah, that was the trade. Pretty simple inversion model.